Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a really fun unboxing. I'm going to be showing you what is inside the Members Pick Fabfitfun box for this month, and they also gave me a coupon code for you guys. So this box is actually seasonal. They always have amazing items in here and the value is really good. It's $200 value. So I was actually able to customize my box and pick out my items. That's one of the things I love about Fabfitfun is that you can pick out your own items and customize it to what you want when there's a few different choices of things to pick from. So let's get into it. I am so excited to open this box up and share with you guys everything that I got. So if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, I hope you will. It is that link that is in my description box. There's also the red button. And then make sure you tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. I do tons of shop with me's, hauls, unboxings. If you love all that content, then I think you'll really enjoy my channel. So let's get into the Fabfitfun unboxing. So I actually partnered up with Fabfitfun for this video. They sent this product to me for free to give you guys my honest review on. So thank you to Fabfitfun and thank you guys so much for watching this video. But like I said before, I was able to pick out some of the items that I wanted, which was so cool. And if you guys have never heard of Fabfitfun, it is a seasonal subscription box, combination of beauty, lifestyle, fashion, fitness. That's another reason why I like it so much, is because I love all of those things. So it's not just beauty, you get a variety of items, which is really cool. So donate to charities. A lot of the items they pick for the box are from female entrepreneurs. The box is available in the US, Canada, and UK, which is great. It's not just for the US, so I know a lot of you girls are from Canada too. You can definitely also pick up this box. And they gave me a coupon code. It's just my last name, NUZZOLO. I will put it here on the screen, and I will also put the link and the coupon code in my description box if you guys want to check this box out and pick one up for yourself. If you like what is inside mine, so it's usually $49.99, and with my coupon code it brings it down to $39.99, so it's really great for the over $200 value that is inside the box. So funny, I've had the actual box that this came in my kitchen for a while now, and Gizzy, if you guys don't know Gizzy, he's my gray cat. He has been sleeping on this box like twice a day, every single day, and I feel so bad that I actually had to open it up finally and do the unboxing. I feel like he's gonna be so heartbroken. Here is the box for this month. This is the members pick. It's all like the top items that members love, and the box is super cute with all the flowers on it. You guys know I love cute packaging. Another thing that they did that was cool is that their boxes are actually now made out of 100% recycled craft paper. Comment down below if you guys have ever tried Fabfitfun boxes before. Have you ever got any items that you loved? I would love to hear from you guys. So the first thing in here is this little cute crossbody from this brand called Vouray, and it's this gray shade. It's actually made out of this neoprene fabric, and I feel like this would be perfect for running errands when I go to TJ Maxx and I don't want to carry like a big bag. This is perfect. It's super lightweight, and when you open it up, it actually has some really nice compartments in here, like these black ones. You guys see that? Perfect for lipstick, because I always carry a lipstick and a gloss with me to touch up. And then there's actually a zippered compartment, which is great. I always get upset when bags don't have compartments on the inside. Like, I need compartments. And then it has this really cute adjustable strap, so if you want to wear it like a crossbody, you can do that. It actually retails for $17.99 on their website, and it's just like the perfect little lightweight bag that will go with any outfit. Next up, we have this hand cream here. This is from Lavido. This is the Nurturing Hand Cream with musk, coconut, and shea butter. So I'm a huge hand cream junkie. I like to keep one in every area of my house. I like to keep one in my purse, by my computer desk over here. I like to keep one in my bedroom, one in my car. So I always have one on hand, pun intended. So I always have one when my hands get dry, which is pretty frequently. So this cream, I actually tried this before, and you guys, I do not like the scent of this. It is so strong. It smells like those soaps that you use like in the airport or like the hospital or something, and I was trying to like wash it off and I could not get the scent to go away. Isn't that so crazy? Like, whenever you love a scent of something, it does not last, but whenever you don't, it lasts for like the whole day. To use like a hand sanitizer, that's how much I didn't like it, unfortunately. It was a nice formula because it absorbed quickly and it wasn't greasy. So that was like the one thing that I was like, on. So it wasn't my favorite. And then this is the Touch in Sol No Pore Blum Primer. This is actually a K-Beauty brand. I don't know if you guys knew that, but I love this primer. I actually have this already, so I'm probably going to end up putting this in a giveaway. Here's what it looks like. You guys have probably seen this before. It's a great lightweight primer. I really, really enjoy this one. I've used it a bunch of times, and I'm happy that they put this in the box. I really like the Touch in Soul brand, so look for that in a future giveaway. Okay, this is something interesting. It's actually a weighted eye mask. You guys probably seen the whole phenomenon with the weighted blankets. We actually have one. Nick got one for Christmas and he loves his. He uses it all the time, more so like in the colder months, and it's supposed to help with like anxiety, help you sleep better. Now this though, I don't know how this is going to compare to the blanket. I don't use the weighted blanket because I don't like feeling like I have something heavy on me, so I don't know how how this is going to feel. Like I feel like it might be good more for like traveling on a plane. Say you have like a really long international flight. It has a nice adjustable Velcro strap in the back, and this is by a brand called Gravity, and this retails for $35. It's being made by the creator of the, I guess, original Gravity blanket. So it definitely is, you know, pretty heavy. I don't know if this is something I could get used to at night. I just feel like it might feel just a little too weird on my face at night. Next up, we have this really cool product from Spongel. I've been wanting to try one of these. This is their body wash infused buffer, and this is in the scent Sugar Dahlia. So my friend Melissa, who is Primp and Prime Beauty on Instagram, she always posts about these, and she makes me want to try them. So I'm really happy this was in the box, and it's this really cute flower shape. So it actually has the soap inside the scrubber, and it has that nice exfoliation to it. And I love doing like a body exfoliation in the shower, especially if I'm going to be possibly doing a self tanner. I think this will be really, really useful. And it smells really good. It's definitely a strong scent, like a strong kind of like spicy floral. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So can't wait to try this out. This will be my first time trying this brand, and this retails for $16. This is a really cool item that came in the box. It's a Michael Kors passport wallet. I have never had one of these before. Of course, this will be so handy if I ever go anywhere ever again, maybe on a trip in 2021. So you actually have a spot for your passport to go into, and then you have all these really nice card slots, and then you have a space for your license. So I thought this was so pretty. It definitely gives me like Louis Vuitton kind of vibes with the MK logo. I used to love the Michael Kors bags. Like asked for one for my birthday one year. But this is actually like really classy little piece, and I definitely can see myself using this, and I'm glad to have something like this whenever a time does come up, to have a little passport holder, because that's something that you do not ever want to lose. So to just know it's in one place in this cute little case is very, very convenient, and it's nice and cute and lightweight. Okay, next up, I am so pumped about this. We have the original makeup eraser. So this is a reusable wipe for your face. It is a cloth wipe. I will show you guys what it looks like if you've never seen one before. So it's just this cloth like this, and what I love is it's double-sided and it's washable, so you can use this to take off your makeup at night. You wet it and then you just rub it all over your face, and then you can wash it 1 to 2 times a week, however you feel, and it is going to save you tons of money because you're not going to be buying wipes anymore. Not that I have been buying wipes in a really long time. That was in my video of things that I no longer purchase that I filmed maybe back like a few months ago. Makeup wipes was on there. So this is an awesome, reusable, eco-friendly alternative. I love these. These are also great to put your makeup remover on and get rid of the eye makeup that you want to get rid of at night. So I am so excited to use this tonight. It's so soft too. It's like a little cuddly little blanket. It says it's made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers. It's 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair, and it adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. And it's free of alcohols, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and it says hashtag no more wipes. I love that that's their hashtag. So it's vegan, environmentally friendly, cruelty-free. Erase all makeup with just one water. It says lasts 3 to 5 years. Love. This is like one of the coolest things ever. So I was very excited that this came inside the box. It does retail for $20, and it does come in like a lot of cute different prints, which I'm sure you guys have seen before. So if you've never tried this before, you will love it, and you will never want to use makeup wipes again. Guys, and the last thing in the box is so cute. It is this little mini backpack. This is from a brand called Boatkier. Hopefully I'm saying that right. It's so adorable. This is the nylon mini backpack, This actually retails for $100, you guys. So right there, you are getting way more than the value that you spent for the $39.99. And I can definitely see myself styling this with tons of cute fall outfits. You have the webbed straps right here. This reminds me of a Kate Spade backpack that I wanted so badly when I was younger. In middle school, everyone had it. It kind of reminds me of that because it has like the nylon. You have two little zipper compartments here. And it definitely is like a little mini backpack. And then inside you have a decent amount of space. And then you have a zipper compartment up here. I don't know if you guys will see it, but. And then I love that there's a handle because a lot of times, I'm a big backpack girl. I usually always use a backpack as my bag of choice. A lot of times I will hold it like this if I don't feel like putting it on my back. So I need to have like a handle option. So I was so excited about this bag. I thought it was so cute and I cannot wait to use it. I thought that was a really awesome box. I was very impressed. We got 2 purses inside that box. That was pretty crazy. And I love the makeup items they put in there, minus the hand cream. I think everything was really nice and a great value. I'm so impressed. So I really love this month's box. If you guys liked it, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what item you were most excited about. Have you ever tried Fabfitfun before? Don't forget, if you guys want to get $10 off, I will put all the information down below. It is just my last name, NUZZOLO, for the code. And thank you so much to Fabfitfun for sending this box over to me to open up on camera and share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!